Imagine starting a race when everyone else had already reached the halfway mark. Not exactly fair, is it? Yet that is the situation millions of students from low-income neighborhoods find themselves in every day. For these students, every day at school is a struggle just to catch up. Moving from grade to grade becomes not so much a race as an obstacle course. And each year, these students fall further and further behind, and their struggle to catch up becomes more overwhelming. By the time many of us notice, the gap between these students and their more advantaged peers has become a canyon. If we want solutions, we have to rewind. In low-income neighborhoods, children start kindergarten 1 year behind their peers from more affluent communities. Here, at the start, the struggle is not with writing, but with letters themselves. Not with reading comprehension, but with even knowing how to hold a book correctly. Not with personal thoughts, but with shared communication. Not with accepting what they are told, but with exploring for themselves. Jumpstart recruits and trains college students to serve preschool children in low-income communities with a year-long program that emphasizes the skills children need to succeed in kindergarten. By emphasizing the building blocks of literacy, by developing communication and social-emotional skills, by promoting the curiosity and independent exploration that every student needs to succeed, Jumpstart means to close the achievement gap before it opens. With an impressive average increase in literacy skills of over 90% for preschool children, we see the benefits of the Jumpstart program not only in the classrooms we serve, but in the testimonials of families, the joy in the faces of our students, the confirmation of kindergarten teachers, and the friendships formed between classmates and volunteers. What would the future look like if every child left the starting line at the same time? That future may see fewer children engaging in risky and reckless behavior, more children staying in school until graduation, more children growing into adults who hold full-time jobs and navigate positive, rewarding, and respectful relationships. Now, we look to the people behind the scenes, the unsung heroes, you. Your donations are what make everything possible. The fact is, your dollars have the biggest impact now, before children even begin kindergarten. So we rely on those dedicated individuals who believe in the potential of every child, who believe that everyone, regardless of their zip code, simply needs the chance to excel. Help Jumpstart close the achievement gap before it ever opens. Help children at the start.